Hey Josh, hey guys, it's Josh, and I
I'm getting myself some hot food. It
think
costs money.
Yes, I have the money. So delete this, and like I said, you guys were gonna see my genius idea. Well, you're gonna see my genius idea. Timed roller. No. This. Let's get a multi-selector. What? Yeah, that's not what we want. We do want a splitter. Let's get a roller. Move this down here. And here you go. That was amazingly a 1-minute video, easy of how a basic tutorial of how if you're making an air conditioner to not waste half as much resources. So there you go. We do need to do this.
7516.
Okay. Where's Jen? I'm coming, baby. Room. Card. Food stamp cards in there. Key. I'm not going to worry about the grocery list right now. We'll get all that tomorrow.
And we're gonna
She just
delete
wants
all
medicine.
this.
Whatever she wants you to tell me.
And
Reggie, positive you don't want anything certain to
move
drink
this.
or anything tonight until tomorrow. You want some Oreos?
And then move this. Hold on. This to here. And once again, use a multi-selector. And then
Kaylin, Joshua just want candy. All right.
it's gonna be
I'll drive, Jen.
it's gonna be a bit difficult, but still it's gonna work.
Oh, no,
We're gonna move
7-Eleven.
this
Okay.
actually over here.
Spray candy is like candy that you spray in your mouth. Would you like one too? I'll get one for both of you.
For me too?
Yes, everybody.
Can I get a blueberry?
No, I'll get whatever they have. What if they don't even have spray candy? Then I gotta get something similar.
Well, if they do have spray candy,
and they have blue. Yes.
and if you also
What?
and will you also get me gummy worms?
I can't. Yeah, I'm
Thank
gonna get
you.
you your gummy worms too. What, baby? Somebody took their cologne. That's for Kyle from Dave. All right, we're leaving. Bye.
All right, bye.
Wait, I need this for break. No, I don't
So-
want to smoke in front of Jenny.
Move that over there. Have a selector. We're gonna move all of this.
Yeah.
You get the point.
Smoke
All of
outside
that
here before we leave?
down,
Smoke out here before we leave?
and
Or in the
then
car?
have a selector.
What are you saying? I can smoke if I want you
And
when?
well, as soon as I get the money,
Sit there?
I'll show you. But that's basically my idea. And then over here,
I just need some food and some sleep.
I think it was like a short neck pack.
Okay. You have to smoke it outside, don't forget. Do you have a lighter?
we'll be back soon.
Go think of something. Okay.
Well,
What do you think?
I don't know what that was that took $1,000 away from me, but
Last
It
is
did it.
27516.
but okay. Well, I'll be back with you in the next video. Bye.